Hey Ryan,
Hey man, how are you?
good, good. Appreciate you taking the time to sit in with me on our TruPoint Talking Tech for this month. We are very happy to have a friend and a longtime partner, Ryan Harrelson from SimpliMeta. How you doing today, Ryan?
Can't complain one iota. I get to talk to you today, so that makes it a A+ day for me.
There you go. Well, obviously we use you guys in a lot of different ways for a lot of different things for many of our customers. Tell me a little bit about your personal background. How'd you end up being the CEO of SimpliMeta?
Yeah, I mean, I started in tech. At first time I got paid to do technology, I was 16 years old. I ran the first cables at my high school and built the first computer lab in my high school, and that's what kind of started me down the road of tech. Prior to that, I was going to go to Juilliard, perform on Broadway. That was always the hopes and dreams of my life was to perform on Broadway. I'm a long way from there. So when I got out of high school, I got a contract to go and start doing post apartment complexes and doing some consulting contracts around doing Wi-Fi and building regional level Wi-Fi types of components. Moved into some other engineering projects. Before I moved over to the consulting side, my last job on the enterprise side, I was the global VP of IT for a large international firm. And I was really kind of unhappy with different things that I was seeing. And a company very similar to TruPoint came in to do a project for us as an advisor at the time. And I really liked what they were doing, and I wanted to see what I could do. So I jumped ship and moved into the consulting side and started running an engineering firm for them, and took the lessons I had from there and decided what I really wanted to do was a little less of some of the things that you guys do naturally, the helping and advising the clients, but where I really thought my skill was is in the actual implementations and the technical operations of those components. And so we started an organization to be able to partner with great organizations like TruPoint and do those implementations, do those installs, do all the technical operations, and take that off of the plate of these great organizations so they can focus on truly working with their clients. So that's kind of the short version of what got me to where I sit today.
What along those lines are your four key differentiators? I mean, what makes you different in the market?
So I think, and it's so funny this comes up. I just had a conversation with our director of sales this morning about this. I think one of our biggest differentiators is everything that's been built in this business has been built for transparency. From the ground up, it's around transparency, and that you see in absolutely everything we do. So you heard me talk about blocks of hours before.